Welcome to Kotlin Software Application Academy. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Python, install Python from Python official website. As you can see, the Python official website is python.org. So you can go to your browser and search python.org. It's going to bring you to this environment. So in this environment, the official website, you can download Python here. So let me show you a simple tutorial on how to do that. So you can come and click here on Python. When you click here, this is a download, right? You can see Windows, Mac, others here. So you can decide to select the type of operating system you are using. In my own case, I'm using a Windows operating system, so I'm going to click this one. So now, you see under here, you can see the latest Python release here, which is Python 3.106. So you just click for it. When you click on it, it's going to start the download down here. So immediately after it has successfully downloaded, then you can go to what you download here on your system. You can see, then you search for the Python. Okay, you can see here I have Python here installed. Let me maximize it for you so that you can see. Okay, I have it here downloaded. So all you just do is for you to double click to launch it. So now, in my own case, I already have Python installed. So that is why it was telling me for me to upgrade. So in your own case, it will tell you install Python. Then you click here and install the Python. Then you follow the steps, next, and you finish the installation. Then after when you finish the installation, you close this window. Yes, then you come here and type Python. Then this is Python ID. This is one that we are going to use for the experiment today. Then you double click, it's going to launch it for you. Okay, great. So this is a Python IDE that you can use to just test your simple Python program. Let's start with print hello world. As you can see, this is the first Python program, hello world. You can equally use this IDE to do some mathematical operation. So let's perform some mathematical operation. 2 plus 2. So you press enter, you can see you have 4. You can equally do multiplication. So asterisk is asterisk is used for multiplication. Let's change this one to 3. And then you say 2 times 3, you have your 6 as output here. So congratulations, you have learned how to download Python, install Python, and run your first Python program. Don't forget to like and subscribe.